Today, I'll demonstrate how to run some fundamental Linux commands using the terminal. We'll cover file management, directory navigation, and a quick look at basic network configuration. First, I'll log into Kali Linux. Now click the terminal emulator icon at the top of the desktop to launch the terminal. The terminal is extremely important in Linux, as most administrative and technical tasks are done from here. Alternatively, you can also launch the terminal from the Applications menu. Type sudo su and press enter to switch to the root user. When prompted for password, type your password and press enter. You won't see the password as you type it, that's normal in Linux. Now in lowercase, type ls and press enter to list all files and directories in the current location. Observe the directories displayed. Now in uppercase, type ls and press enter. You'll see a command not found error because Linux is case sensitive. Remember, lowercase ls works, but uppercase ls does not. Now type ls-help. You get an error. Type ls-help and press enter to display all available options for the ls command. Observe all the different switches and options displayed. Now type ls-a and press enter. This will list all directories including hidden files. Hidden files also start with a dot. Type ls-l and press enter. This shows a long listing format, including file permissions and other details. Type pwd and press enter to display the current working directory path. To change directories, type cd desktop and press enter. Now type print working directory, pwd, and press enter again. You'll see that we're now inside the desktop directory. To go back to the previous directory, type cd ... and press enter. This takes us back to the parent directory. Now type rm-rf music and press enter. This removes the music directory and everything inside it. Type ls and press enter. You'll see that the music directory is now gone. Let's create a file. Type nano file.txt and press enter to open the nano text editor. If file.txt already exists, it will open. If it doesn't exist, nano will create it. Nano displays a menu at the bottom showing keyboard shortcuts. Inside nano, type the following text. This is a text file, and I'm CyberEd. You can also use copy and paste inside nano. Press Ctrl O to save the file. Press enter to confirm the file name as file.txt. Press Ctrl and X to exit nano. Type clear and press enter to clear the screen. Alternatively, you can press Ctrl and L. Type ls and press enter. You should now see the file.txt listed. To copy the file, type cp file.txt test.txt and press enter. Type ls and press enter again. You'll now see the copied file test.txt. Type cat test.txt and press enter. This displays the contents of the file. To copy the file into another directory, type cp test.txt desktop/test2.txt and press enter. Now list the desktop directory. ls desktop. You'll see test2.txt inside the desktop directory. Finally, type ifconfig and press enter. This displays your IP address and network configuration details. Linux also includes many useful keyboard shortcuts that make working faster and easier. So you've got Ctrl L, clear the screen, Ctrl U, clear the current command line, up down, scroll through command history, Ctrl A, move to the beginning of the command line. This concludes the demonstration of exploring Linux terminal commands. Close all windows after completion. Today we learned about the Linux command structure, some important Linux commands, and several useful shortcuts to make working in the terminal faster and more efficient. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm CyberEd, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.